The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Southeastern Montague County in north-central Texas, Northeastern Wise County in north-central Texas, Northwestern Denton County in north-central Texas, Southern Cooke County in north-central Texas, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Decatur, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gainesville, Sanger, Decatur, Alvord, Lindsay, Callisburg, Ray Roberts Park, Johnson Branch, Lake Kiowa, Roadrunner, Valley View, Prairie Point, Leal, Greenwood, Ralston, Lois, Lake Ray Roberts, Bolivar, Ura, Slidell, and Woodbine. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 477 and 502. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for north-central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.